Fontana, commercial automatic, wall mount brushed, gold sensor bathroom faucet. Product code, FS1104. The Fontana, commercial automatic, wall mount brushed, gold sensor bathroom faucet, from FontanaShowers, is ideal for those looking for an antique-style faucet, but not overly decorated. With simple and elegant lines, this faucet is a perfect match for classic-style bathrooms. It is made entirely of brass, wall-mounted, with motion sensors for water saving. The valve core material is ceramic for best performance and long-lasting lifetime. It comes with 1/2 connections, complete with accessories and installation instructions. Fontana, commercial automatic, wall mount brushed, gold sensor bathroom faucet features, brand name, FontanaShowers. Model number, FS1104. Type, automatic faucet. Use, hospital or public space faucet mount, single hole. Valve core material, ceramic style, contemporary. Installation type, wall mount surface treatment, polished. Material, brass finish, brushed gold. Power, AC/DC DIA.OF inlet pipe, G12 DIA. Of outlet pipe, G12 usage, commercial residential ideal for commercial use applications, in public restrooms, restaurants, office building, public facilities, hospitals. Fits all standard US plumbing.